going to run through the form first and then I'll go over it again, explaining some of the things in a bit more detail. So that's the first part. I'll just explain a couple things and just some pointers. So when you first start off, this shape here, we're just covering our center line. Make sure that your hands aren't too far on you or too far out. Give yourself space, then draw back. So you start off with a left punch straight out into the center, open, circle inwards, which is your Hun Sao, and then draw back, and then other side. Right punch, open, circle, and Sao, and then draw back. And then we have a left hand Sao. When you do this, you want to make sure your arm's nice and straight. Bring your elbow in behind your hand, and then circle, again Hun Sao into Wu Sao. Then we draw back into the center line, drop to Foot Sao, and we do this 3 times. So we do 3 Foot Saos. When you're training it a lot slower, just try and relax. And then once you've done 3, draw it in, pack out to the edge of your shoulder, so clearing to the edge of your shoulder, back into the center, and then palm right out in front of you. And then circle again, and draw back. And then we have the same the other side, Tan Sao into the center line, straight out, circles, drop to Wu Sao, draws back, drop to Foot Sao, forward 3 times. And then again, packs out to the edge of your shoulder, back to the center, palm straight forward, circle, and draw back. Now we're going to go on to the second part. Again, I'll just go through it quickly. So we start off, we're going to clear all around us, so push all the way down, make sure you drop your shoulder down. Then the other side, make sure you're thinking of pushing your force down. And then behind you, when you do this, push out with your palms. So don't just put your fingers out, push your palms out, because we're clearing the space all around us. Then out in front, same thing, in front of you. Then from there, double land Sao. So keep it nice and low, don't lift your shoulders up. Double Foot Sao, so open up first, open up your chest, and then elbows, and then come back in. And we just drop. Tan Sao, Jiu Sao, so we draw in, so we rotate our hands in, then out, and then down, up. And this is out in front of you, so your arms are pretty much straight. And then fold back your basic guard, circle, and draw back. That's the second part, and now we'll do the third part. So packs out, but this time we come out. So instead of having it to our shoulder, we're out in front of us now. And then it drops. I'll run for it. And I'll explain. So let's have a look. So we do our packs out in front of us now, so it's 45 degrees. We drop the elbow down, and then palm straight out. Circle and draw back. Other side, 45 degrees, drops back, you just drop your elbow down, palm, circle, draw back. Left hand turns out into the center, guns out into the center, comes back up. This time we circle around on the inside, and then palm to the ribs, and then straight up. Circle, pull back. Right hand guns out, turns out, drops the guns out, turn, circle, strike to the ribs, up to the center, palm, circle, draw back. Then we have bomb, we drop the turns out, palm, circle and draw back. Bombs out, drops, turns out to palm, circles and draws back. Then your left hand comes down into guns out, right hand across, and we change 3 times and we rotate as we do it. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then from here we do a whipping punch, which basically means from here it just comes straight up into the center line, and you do 3. On the third one you pull your right hand back, so it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, you pull back, open, circle, draw back, left foot to right and push down. And that is the whole of your first form, all 3 parts. We're going to be using it this weekend, so practice it.